to Epcot. If this is your first time tuning in, I'm Michael. We do a lot of Disney here. And if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. And you can just follow along with the adventures, the tips, the tricks, and everything that's on this channel on a regular basis. We're gonna be hanging out with this guy right here, Lee from Theme Park Ohana. We're gonna hang out, check out the Arts Festival, which I'm assuming you've been a few times already?
Yes.
And this is my first time to really check it out.
I'm here just to have lunch.
I need to have lunch too. I haven't eaten today. So we're gonna go in and check out the Arts Festival. Come on. Into the Arts Festival. What is your favorite festival at Epcot, guys? Is it the Arts Festival, Food and Wine, Flower and Garden, or that festival of the holidays in the middle? How about you, Lee?
I vote Food and Wine just because there's so much food.
Food and Wine.
So much food.
There is a ton of food at Food and Wine. But comment down below what your favorite festival is, guys, and let's go into the Arts Festival. Walking through, they do the paint by number, which they have several of these going at like right now they have this one, they'll finish it and then they'll take it down and move it and do it again. But you come over here, you buy the paint by number, you come find your number and you paint it. What a novel idea. As we walk further into World Showcase, there's these little picture things. Weirdly enough, I just renewed my my AP pass, and now I'm silver, which means I no longer get free photo pass. So if I show anything, it's gonna have this like photo pass thing on it. So most likely won't take many photos this year. Ooh, but no. So they have the portraits. I will plug in a link to last year's video where all of those photos are in there. They're about the same. I do think it's about time to eat though. It's time to look around. It's such a slow day here. Like look at this foot traffic in World Showcase. February in the parks. Usually a little bit slower even if it is tour group season. What's going on, Lee?
Oh, the gondola construction here at Epcot. They actually are making some progress. Look, they're steel beams.
Didn't know the gondola system getting installed at Epcot, what, Hollywood Studios and a bunch of the resorts. So.
Yes. This is going to be one of the stops.
It's going to be stuff in the air, and it's going to be great for the summers when it's raining and storming and they're not working. Also, in this area, this is for the Ratatouille ride. So when they build Ratatouille, this is going to be the entrance to Ratatouille. Yeah, like, so it's this way, and it's so quiet. Like, it's so ridiculously quiet in this area. It's amazing. Wow, isn't this Haunted Mansion painting? Okay, I want this for my house right now. Like, I really, really do. Stopping in at the next booth here, and wow, like I really like this wall piece with Steamboat Willie Walt. This is kind of amazing. This booth is really cool. Lots of like vivid, is vivid the word? Really realistic. Just really cool pieces here. Look, it's the Yeti. We are over here like in this mostly Star Wars area. Can you guess how much this big Darth Vader? Surprisingly reasonable, $1,500. Well, we've made our way around like everything, and we haven't eaten yet. So I think we're gonna head to Chuza de Margarita and grab some food and maybe a drink. He's running into people back here. Like, watch where you're going.
Like a bull in a china shop.
Like, watch where you're going. So I think we're gonna head over here and try a little Chuza de Margarita. we wrapped up Little Chose de Margarita. I'm posting a full review of that up probably yesterday or tomorrow. Depends when this video goes up. But that's what's going on there. Let's catch up with Lee and see what he's up to. We didn't eat anything in the festival. There's so few festival booths for food. Like, I didn't see anything that was amazing. And obviously I needed to eat Chose de Margarita and do the review on that. So check that out as the new series. The Disney Dining Review will be up shortly, and that will be the first episode. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for the vlog today. Over here is the festival center. Over there is there a festival center over there like there was with Flower?
Yes.
So there's like extra stuff over here, and if you go over here, they're doing the Art Academy, which they've done away with in all the parks now. Did you ever do the Art Academy at like Hollywood back in the day? Or?
Yes, we did. Me and my wife used to love that. I have some hung in my house on the wall.
I love the Art Academy. Disney, please bring back the Art Academy on a full-time basis, not just here.
Jen just did it here this year as well.
This is amazing. Like, I got to get over there and do it. I was actually in the building yesterday and realized they were doing it. But yeah, there's a couple buildings off to the side. We've walked through. Like, there's not a ton of food here.
Nah,
there's
nothing really grabs you because I gotta have it.
This is, I don't know. This festival just is lackluster compared to all the other festivals here at Epcot.
But plenty of art, lots of art.
Plenty of art, like great art. I could just empty my pocketbook, his pocketbook, and probably your pocketbook on just the art here, guys. So I think we're gonna call it a day. Like I said, Theme Park Ohana is gonna be linked right up here. There'll also be on the end cap of this video. Anything you wanna say?
See you real soon.
See you real soon, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Like and subscribe, as always. And if you have anything you want to say, down below. If you liked any of the art, let me know which art you liked the best here. Not that I'm gonna go buy it, but
life-size Vader.
Life-size Vader was really cool. So let me know which art you liked the best down there, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna get out of here, and until next time, here's to life.
See you guys.